We'll be making a game of Madlibs inside of a web-based C++ programmer. Well, compiler. There we go. I can use words. So this is going to be a pretty quick and easy build. We're using this web-based platform, so we're going to kind of circumvent that little how do I do this with Visual Studio and stuff like that. So we're just going to get to it. The website is cpp.sh. I use it a lot. I think it's great for prototyping. Let's start by including our IO stream. We're going to be using basic input output with this, so it's going to be easy peasy. Oh, I put including actually. Uh-oh. There we go. And because I don't want to write std : in front of everything I write, we're going to type on the second line using namespace standard. There we go. And because I like keeping my code a little modular, I'm going to add a line before I go in and make my main function. And there we are. I'm just going to add a little bit of space. We'll take care of we'll erase some of it. There we go. All right. So with Madlibs, the way it works is you have a sentence, right? And you know the sentence, but the person you're asking for the words doesn't know the sentence. So it's like, hey, give me an adjective, give me a noun, give me a verb, give me a pronoun, blah, blah, blah. And they provide that, and then you plug it into a sentence and you read it. And if you do it right, it's really goofy. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to go ahead and create some variables that will hold a bunch of different types of words. And the way that we're going to hold those words is we're going to use string variables. So string. Let's do our first one as an adjective. And I might have more than one adjective in here, so I'm going to say adjective 1. And then let's hold a noun. Again, I might have more than one noun, so I'll say noun 1. Let's do string adverb. Again, I might have more than one. And string verb. All right. Let's then do string place. I only want one place. Let's do another adjective. This time it'll be adjective 2. And then let's do a plural noun. Oh, there we go. Plural noun. I'm only going to have one of those. And to round things off, let's do one more adjective. There we go. All right. So for this next part, what we're going to do is we're just going to use a bunch of cin and cout statements to prompt the user to give us input that we're then going to save to the string variables that we just created. So cout, we're going to ask them to provide an adjective. And then we're going to do cin, and we'll store this first adjective to adjective 1. And we just do that over and over again. All right, so now what we've done is we have taken our strings and we said, hey, provide me an adjective. And then we take the user input and we store an adjective 1. And then we do the same thing for noun, adverb, place, adjective 2, plural noun, and adjective 3. So let's go ahead and run this and see what happens. Provide an adjective, yellow. Provide a noun, bear. An adverb, quickly. Place with a one-word name, China. Let's see, provide an adjective, green. Let's see if we can't scroll down real quick. Provide a plural noun, horses. And finally, provide an adjective. I believe this is the last one. Let's do quiet. Cool. And so there we see that we have a program termination. and we have stored our words inside of our variables. However, we don't have anything with our Madlibs yet because we haven't told the program to do anything with the words that we just gave it. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's say cout. I bought. Ooh, I can't type. I bought a. And then we'll say adjective 1. Then we're going to add a space. And then noun 1. So our adjective 1 is modifying our noun 1. And let's go ahead and put a period and then an escape character. The /n, that's going to give us a new line. Like right here. This new line at the end to provide an adjective, that's what made the input come down here and got us yellow. All right, so let's say I bought a adjective. Let's see. Oh man, up here we didn't put a place in for our verb. Let's go ahead and fix that. Yeah, let's fix that, dude. Provide a verb, bro. And then CN, we'll take that fella and store him in verb 1. There we go. I thought someone was looking fishy. All right, provide a verb, dude. Okay. So let's go ahead and scroll down on this thing. Oh, we almost made a mistake right here. Let's go ahead and put our bit shift right there. There we go. All right. So I bought a something. It. Oh, I don't need that little quote there, do I? So we'll just say it. Put a space in that. And now we bring in our adverb. Adverb 1. Then we're going to add a space character and then verb. Whoop, there we go. Put an exclamation point and a new line. So after that, let's see, it did something. How about it reminded me of, close that off, bit shift, and then we'll say adjective 2. And then we'll throw in a space and plural noun. Then exclamation point, break our line. And then we just got another adjective. This is kind of a descriptor. So it was really, space, close, adjective 3. And then 1 final period, end with a semicolon. So I bought an adjective 1 noun, blah, blah, blah. So let's see how this does. All right. Let's see if we have any errors. We have an error, dude. All right, where's our error at? So, undeclared identifier verb. Did I mean verb 1? Yes, I did. Boop. Because up here we have it as verb 1, but down here, man, we only had it as verb. So let's run that again. See if we can get that fixed. Look at that. All right. So provide an adjective. Let's do stretchy. Provide a noun. Let's do banana. An adverb. Clumsy. Yeah. Let's see. What's a good adverb? I know the sentence, so it's not as fun as someone who doesn't know the sentence. So let's do strangely. Provide a place with. Oh, wait, let's see. So in our code, it's a little backwards, isn't it? That's okay, though. That's okay. It will just be a bit more mysterious for our person. Plus, we can go back and change that real quick. So provide a place with a one-word name. We didn't even put place in our cout, did we? We can go back and fix that. Let's say Walmart. Provide a verb. All right. Let's do running. And then we have provide an adjective. Can I scroll down? There we go. Provide an adjective. So let's do luckily. Now let's just do lucky. And a plural noun. Grapes. We already have bananas. Might as well have some grapes. An adjective. Let's do orange. Nah. Let's do goofy. All right. So now, once we have all of this done, it cuts out to line 31 where it puts out our whole stream of data. I bought a stretchy banana. It's strangely running. It reminded me of Lucky Grapes. It was really goofy. So, yeah, you can get as crazy or as stupid or as serious with it as you want, but that's just a little game of Madlibs. But let's go ahead and fix this because this is gonna bug me. So we're just gonna cut this, and we'll paste it right here. And let's add something to this to give us a place. So I bought a something, and let's just add from, say from, and then we'll cast in place. Is that just regular place, dude? Yeah. All right. And we'll put our little, there we go. All right, now if we run it, let's see, will we get an error? Hopefully not. Let's find out. There we go. So I'm gonna run through this again. All right, so our final thing. I bought a torrential gorilla from the zoo. It greedily ate. It reminded me of funny castles. It was really tough. So not all the Mad Libs are going to turn out funny, but if you give this to one of your friends and they don't know what's going on with the code, I mean, you might have a fun time. Anywho, that is Mad Libs in C++. Until next time.